Welcome to Natural Remedies. How to homeopathically self-diagnose. Before we begin, hit the like and subscribe button so you won't be left wondering what to do during the next pandemic or epidemic. Please excuse the lighting. Here, we have the Materia Medica with Repertory by Boric and Taffel, the 9th edition. This first half of this book lists all of the remedies and symptoms therefore. Here is adrenaline and it gives you a lot of information as do the other remedies. Look at balsam. It is good for bronchial troubles. Wow, wild indigo mentions malarial poisoning. Iodide of lime talks about symptoms affecting the head, throat, lungs and skin. Though rarely used, some snake venoms are beneficial. Enlarge your screen for a better look at the next page or two. Now, we move on to the repertory. Look at the sections it contains. The mind, head, eyes, ears, nose, face, mouth, tongue, taste, gums, teeth, throat, stomach, abdomen, urinary system, male sexual system, female sexual system, circulatory system, locomotor system, the skin, fever, nervous system, generalities, modalities, and the index to the repertory. See how it lists things like wounds, rheumatism, uterus, affections, cancer, inflammation, and so on. Here is the therapeutic index. When we enter this area, we get symptoms such dyspepsia and earache, and it gives you the remedies right after. The Common Names area provides the page numbers where these remedies are found. So, it makes it easy to find what you are looking for when searching for one specific remedy you are familiar with or curious about. So, how do you diagnose? You could go through the entire Materia Medica, which is the first half of the book, and spend several days trying to find the remedy which fits exactly. Or, if you want a fast diagnosis, here is the key. Go through each and every one of these sections. Going to adjust the camera a bit. You want to go through what is going on with the mind. For example, delirium, alcoholic delirium. And then, here's all the remedies and what they're for. There are quite a few listed, but once you read each one, you will start seeing which is closest to the remedy being sought after. As you are doing a diagnosis, or a workup as it is sometimes called, to do it properly then, you need to take note of each symptom you are experiencing and all the remedies under every one of the symptoms. And keep going through this half of the book until you have covered every section and jotted down every applicable symptom and remedy for each. Once you have a list of all the homeopathic remedies you need to look into, you want to look at each of them in the Materia Medica section, the first half of the book. Going through all of the remedies in the Materia Medica is going to point to one or more remedies which are good for the individual to use. Basically, you want to see which of the remedies within this area applies according to the symptoms. Remember, always check each and every section of the repertory before scouring the Materia Medica for a perfect remedy. Get to know your Materia Medica with repertory. Practice listing symptoms, the remedies for each of the symptoms, and going through each remedy until you discover which applies, whereas you also list those applicable ones. After compiling a list of applicable remedies, go through each one and begin narrowing down the remedies until you have no more than 5 in total.